So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make $700 in a day with affiliate marketing using one traffic source, which is Google Ads. So as you can see over here, I have just made $699, and over here you can see today's date is 24th of July. So $699 in one day promoting one affiliate offer. So if you're a newbie watching this video, thinking to yourself how you can make money promoting $100 or $200 ClickBank offers, then I'm going to show exactly how to do this in this video. So stay tuned until the end of this video, because I'm going to share with you step by step what I did to have results. So as you can see over here, let's go to clickbank.com. So in ClickBank, you can see you have updated version right now, right? So you have different products that you can promote as an affiliate every single day. So what you can do, the first thing is pick the product. Everyone tell you this, every guru tell you pick the product, right? But what they don't tell you is this: you have to pick up the product where your audience is most likely to think about their pains and problems 3 times per day. What do I mean by that? You need to have audience that is emotionally, not only logically, but also emotionally connected to their pains and problems 3 times per day. Let me give you a simple example. The person with diabetes, for example, this is a great niche, right? If you have a good, high quality product promoting people with diabetes, supplements, ebooks, courses, whatever, right? On ClickBank or any other affiliate network, you can make really great money. Why? Because the audience is emotionally connected to their pain and problem every single day. They are thinking about it every single day, right? It's not like brushing your teeth where you're doing it 2 times or 3 times per day and you don't have any emotion connected to that. But with diabetes, people have the pain and problem that is connected to that problem, right? So they need solution, right? So you can offer them to better their diet, their way of life, right? Of course, to lower the blood sugar, you'll be able to have great results, make a lot of money as an affiliate promoting these offers. So as you can see over here on ClickBank, we have many different products. We have BioFit, we have Flat Belly Tonic, we have dental products, we have Survival, right? Exipor, right? Many different weight loss keto diet product. We have the smoothie diet, right? And as you can see over here, what you have to do is pick one offer that you're going to stick with it. So I suggest you today, think about what is your passion, which niche you want to be in. Now it doesn't matter if you're passionate or not, you, right, as an individual. What mostly matters is what the masses want, not what you like or what you want, right? Because if you don't drink coffee, but billions or millions of other people drink coffee every day, then of course it's a great potential. It may be not your passion, but it's great money for you because people are doing it every single day. It's a legal drug, right? It's legal habit. So stick with what masses want, not what they basically need, but what they want, right? So one of those things is, for example, if you go to, for example, Flat Belly Tonic, right? As you can see, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, right? It's a weight loss tonic supplement. So you can get paid up to $130 per sale of promoting this product. Now, how you can utilize this using Google Ads? Now, the best thing with Google Ads is this: we target people by intent, right? Buyer's intent. So what are they looking for? What do they want to buy? What are their pains? What kind of information they're searching for? There are many different softwares that you don't have to use because they are expensive. So you don't have to buy any expensive softwares, but what you can do today is take 10 to 15 minutes of your time and do the research of what your audience is already buying, right? What are they buying and what is missing right now in their life that could solve this gap, right? Because there's always some gap between point A and point B over here on the right side. We have the gap in between, right? And when we close this gap, you make a sale, right? Because you give the potential client or customer the result in advance. You give them the opportunity to solve their pains and problems with the product you're about to promote. So with Google Ads, the best thing to remember is this: you can create many different audiences, right? With Google Ads, you can also create similar audiences, like lookalike audiences on Facebook ads, right? With Facebook. So with similar audiences, Google will find people who are similar to the buyers. So for example, if we have buyers of ClickBank products in supplement, weight loss, keto diet niche, Google on the other hand will find similar people who are most likely to buy or be interested in the products that we are about to promote to them, right? So it's a really great way because people are on Google to find solutions, right, to buy products. So if you know how to position your ad, your headline, your landing page, and how to pre-sell them, because the main job of landing page is to pre-sell. Most affiliates, newbies, right, make the biggest mistake, which is they think that the job of the landing page, right, is to sell. It's not. The main job of the lender itself is to pre-sell, right? And once they click on the ClickBank vendors page and watch VSL, right, video sales letter, or read through the sales copy, they get sold over there. So remember this. If you're new to affiliate marketing and you want to make big bucks with affiliate marketing, remember this. The job of the page is to pre-sell, right? Because if you can pre-sell them before they buy, long before they buy, right? In the next step, when they have to buy, you will make money and they won't leave your page. So you won't have abandonment of the page, right? They will purchase, they will add to cart, and they will buy now. So this is how it works. So my friend, if you're watching this video right now and if you want to have results and you want to know how to get correct and professional website together, so you can have not only great click-through rate, but also great results, great revenue, great profit with ClickBank or any other affiliate network out there, then please connect with me one-on-one. And below this video are going to be links to my social media accounts, so you can reach out to me on Facebook, Instagram, over here. So you can see here at my Instagram, right? You can reach out to me, you can follow me, and you can also ask me any questions, slide into my DM, send me the email or text me or call me on WhatsApp. That is my also personal number under this video. So reach out to me only if you're serious, right? There is investment involved, no? Now, it's not only about time investment, maybe a little bit of time, right? But if you're serious, there is some money investment on the side. So only please reach out to me if you're really serious and if you have some money to invest to get started and to start generating results, so that you can get the best possible results with ClickBank affiliate marketing starting today. So thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please, for more helpful tips.